from Delhi.
Hi, good morning.
This is Mr. Anshel. Should I give him your last name? Maybe I shouldn't give him your last name. Anshel Bura in the house right now, my main man over here. Today we have a big day ahead of us, don't we, Anshel?
Yeah, we are going to look for some nice, interesting fabrics, some nice, luxurious fabrics for our brand, HLMT. And we're going to go through all the marketplaces, look through all the shops, and then it's an interesting day. We're going to see our block carver, one of the greatest artisans India has ever produced for
found the
generations. For the generations they've been doing these techniques in India, and it's a very dying technique, and and we are grateful to HLMT that HLMT is putting them up on a very global map, and we are going to gear it up, and we are going to develop some 5 or 6 interesting blocks today what Tiffany has designed from New York.
Only 4.
Yeah, the entire process is very hand done, very labor oriented, very skill oriented. So it's quite interesting. I think we are going to have a good day today.
Yeah.
Good day out in the field. I think we are at Nehru Place right now, which is the busiest center in Delhi for all kind of fabrics which India deals in, whether it is the handloom fabric or the powerloom fabrics or the imported fabrics from all over the world like China, Indonesia. Plus Nehru Place is also well known for its computer peripheral things, for a lot of other computer activities like softwares, hardwares. It is one of the most busiest center for India, one of the most wholesale big center for India. We're going to the block carver's place.
The block carver's place. Our favorite guys.
Yeah.
We love these guys. Super talented guys. They
one of the
made
best in India's history. Yeah.
literally amazing. So this is a small village. We're in a small village or just an
No, just
area?
a small village. Yeah.
But right outside of Delhi. So we're still in Delhi proper, right?
No, it's in the Delhi proper only. Yeah.
It's in Delhi.
Basically, Delhi is a cluster of more than 70 villages, so it is one of those villages.
One of the 70 villages
Yeah.
of Delhi. So you'll be meeting them soon. What does this song mean? It's a romantic song?
It's about the block carvers are enjoying a song from the radio,
Yeah.
and it's about the romantic history of one of the lovers. He is memorably and desperately missing his dear lover. So he is saying that when I am going to see her again.
I don't know if we can hear it.
Yeah. So this man Anil is one of the best artisans India has ever produced. As I was just saying to one of our way when we were coming here. So I am with him. He is my good friend, and we have been working together. And he has been working together for HLMT for quite a long now. And he has produced some of the best blocks we ever had. And we all love him.
How long have you been doing block carving?
ये कितने टाइम से ब्लॉक कार्विंग कर रहे हैं आप?
ये हो गए 40 साल।
He says that he himself has been involved for last 40 years.
40 years.
40 years he has been doing this job. Yeah. And his family generation से हो रहा है ये सब?
नहीं,
So he basically is guru, his master from whom his master artisan, from whom he has learned the art of block carving.
Yeah.
It's from a city called Farrukhabad. It's in Uttar Pradesh, which is world famous for making the block carvers.
More famous than Jaipur?
Yeah, it was a center of all the block carving of India, but then Jaipur really marketed the block printing really well. But still, you will find the best artisans of block carving comes from Farrukhabad.
ये फतेहाबाद से जयपुर में जो भी मतलब जयपुर
Yeah.
हम ही लोग जयपुर के अंदर हैं।
So what he is saying is that the community, the artisan community, which makes these blocks, yeah,
फतेहाबाद से
they all come from Farrukhabad and they migrate to
Bombay.
commercial centers like Bombay, Ahmedabad, Jaipur. And all.
but
Because
they
they have a big market over there. Farrukhabad is a small town. Yeah.
लोग मतलब वहीं के
So that is what is the history of this man, and we will go into the history of block printing also. Printing is the block.
Yeah.
Like
The
it's
wood.
the soul of the entire process. Okay. So what happens is that the wood which they select to make the block is very very important. If they use an inferior block,
Yeah.
then the wood swells up
Yeah.
during the monsoon or something like that.
Yeah.
So they use one of the best wood available in India. It's a very selective wood.
What's
It
the
comes- the name of the wood is teak wood. We call it teak sesame wood. Yeah. So we like generally you see, even you put it in the water, it doesn't get spoiled up. Yeah. And during winter and also, so it remains all okay. And and the blocks remained in their own shape. Yeah. Even after like say 10 years or 20 years, so the block has got a very long life with this. With the best wood they use. So generally they use it and then they just print it white or cremish and then they print the design over it. So
He
that is-
sketches on there? He draw that by hand, or how does he put the design? Is this hand drawn?
Yeah.
इसके हाथ से
ये जो होता है ये
हाथ से किया
it is done. It is like done by the hand. Yeah. He just put a rough print over it, but he never print it. It is the fine carving which he has done.
Oh, it's with
It's
that
not
little
print,
knife.
it's a carving.
Ah.
The most finest carving because it is going to be the outlook, the boundary, or you can say the
Outline?
the edges, the outlines of the block. So that is what they have done. So they've really carved it most. This is the most important because then they are going to carve it inside. What he is saying is that a person should rather clean a road, yeah, if he is not doing his profession very rightly and is not doing a good justice to his job or to his artistry, yeah. So he would prefer to clean a road if he is not happy with his job. That is what he says.
That's why you're the best.
So that is why he puts his heart and soul into this carving, and that is what he's been doing this for 40 years for his family. And I know that he has not made a great fortunes out of it, but he loved doing this, and I think we all should wish him all good luck.